March 10, 1959, a day that forever changed Tibetan history. For nearly a decade, Tibet had been under Chinese rule, and tensions had reached a breaking point. The immediate spark for the March 10 national uprising came from widespread fears of a Chinese plot to abduct His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama and take him to Beijing. The Chinese authorities invited him to a theatrical performance at the People's Liberation Army headquarters, forbidding him from bringing Tibetan bodyguards or personnel. Sensing the imminent danger, thousands of Tibetans gathered outside Nirbalinga, forming a human shield around their leader. By the afternoon, the protest swelled as people marched through Bhago Street, their voices ringing through the air. Tibet has always been free. Chinese Communist out of Tibet. Down with the 17-point agreement. Tibet for the Tibetans. But the Chinese military responded with brutal force. Troops shelled the city, killing thousands of Tibetans in a merciless crackdown. His Holiness the Dalai Lama was forced to flee into exile in India, followed by tens of thousands of Tibetans who left behind everything in search of freedom. Today, March 10 remains a day of remembrance and resistance. Tibetans across the world honor the bravery of those who stood against oppression and continue the fight for Tibetan freedom.